Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to make a silky roasted pumpkin soup with cream and Moroccan spice. No onion, no garlic, just clean, cozy flavour with only a few ingredients. Let's get straight into it. We're starting with about 1.5 kilos of pumpkin. I'm using Kent because it's sweet, nutty and roasts really well. Peel it, remove the seeds and chop it into chunks. Drizzle with a tablespoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of Moroccan-spiced blend and just a touch of salt and pepper to enhance the flavour. Spread the pumpkin out on a tray and roast it on preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. You're looking for golden edges and a soft texture. That's where the flavour really deepens. Once your pumpkin is beautifully roasted, transfer it to a pot and pour in 4 cups of stock. You can use vegetable stock or chicken stock, whatever you prefer. Bring it up to a gentle simmer for about 10 minutes. Now grab a stick blender or use a regular one and blend the soup until it's smooth and creamy. Be careful if you're using a traditional blender because a hot soup can splash. Time to make it rich. Add 1 cup of cream and stir it through on low heat. Don't boil it, just gently warm it so everything comes together beautifully. And that's it. Your creamy Moroccan spiced pumpkin soup is ready to serve. You can swirl it in a bit more cream, top with roasted seeds or fresh herbs if you want, or just enjoy it as it is. Simple and satisfying. If you try this recipe, I'd love to hear what you think. Let me know in the comments, and if you want more simple home recipes and DIY projects, hit that like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.